Hi, we're looking at 3 fantastically looking barbecue products today. As you can see, Peter, would you like to tell us a little bit about these products?
Thank you. First of all, we have the Cajun Carne Roast, using the Cajun Louisiana World Grill. We have the Tandoori Trident Kebabs, using the Tandoori World Grill, and my particular favourite, the halloumi and red pepper skewers.
Fantastic, all looking there, Peter. Visually, I agree with you there that visually that looks fantastic.
Yeah.
I know they taste good because we tasted them yesterday. They look really good.
Took a bit of work though to make them look that perfect.
Yeah, but they do look good, and I think that little bit of time you put into it, you've got the benefits there. And looking at these, Peter, they are definitely restaurant quality meals that you can dine in at home.
Yeah, definitely. Following on from the dining at home concept, obviously we have the little mini roasts, picanas, Cajun Carne Roast. My humble opinion, the best muscle on the beast.
Yes, absolutely.
Tender, just cook that, just underdone a little, with excellent flavouring. And then when we cooked them yesterday, can you remember the blackened on the top and the beautiful pink inside? They're a great product. So and then moving on to the Tandoori Trident Kebab, simple chicken thighs, threaded through, lemon on the end, painted in World Grill. You know, yes, they look a bulky piece, but to cook them whole like that and then cut them down afterwards, squirt a lemon on the top.
I know they're bulky, but they're sharing anyway. That would feed 3 people easy when you have other things with a barbecue.
Well, I was thinking more, you have one, and I'll have the other
go
2.
for it. Let's go for it.
Yeah. And then a little sort of side to go with it.
Yeah. Using the Spanish Harbour?
Mediterranean.
Okay.
Mediterranean,
right.
yeah.
The flecks are lovely on that, aren't they? Really.
And then obviously with a little bit of French deco over the top, as always.
Yeah.
So there you go, people.
Excellent.
Not only are they great for your customers, they're a great show for you when you counter. You know, these are we had a sneak preview of some new Dalebrook trays, and we've used them, and they look really well when we shot them together, didn't we?
They do. Yeah. So Peter, visually good, as we can see, taste excellent, as we tried them yesterday. Talk about how the customer's going to display these to get the maximum impact with the customer, because you really want to showcase these products in it.
So in every butcher's, you'll have a hotspot, right? And that's the place where your customers walk in, right, stand and talk to you like they do every day about football or whatever. And then while they're talking to you, you use these to catch your eyes.
Yeah.
And to use like different heights to create, you know, like a visual effect. Yeah. So, you know, if I were to have this here, you know, and you get them like that, and it's more eye-catching.
Yeah, definitely.
You know? And it's important to use that hotspot, because while they're talking to you, they're not going to go and wander off and this and the other. So subliminally, you're throwing it at them. So leading on from the marketing, obviously, you're not going to get everybody in your shop. So you've also got that extra dimension with your social media. So now, all of the brochures, right, are going to have a QR code. So if you get your mobile device, whatever, scan that QR code, and that takes you to a folder that has still shots.
And social media, let's be honest, Peter, the new front window.
Oh, and you'll not get a big front window.
No, actually. You know. Yeah, brilliant. Thank you, Peter. Thank you.
Thanks, Ian.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.